That wasn't bad. Alright, so Nimbus against the Supra. Not louder than me, though. Not louder than me, homie. I don't think so, Supra. I don't think so! What is up? This is Roddy Insane. I have no idea if you guys can hear me or not. It's a new mic, it's a new bike with a new exhaust. Old bike, same new exhaust. New helmet, new mic. So new mic, new recording setup. Same GoPro, but new mic. And a very, very loud exhaust, and the Supra that's also modded out with an exhaust, I believe. Gotta be faster than that, homie. That wasn't bad. Alright, so Nimbus against the Supra. I gotta be careful because it's a cold day. It rained, and also my tires are cold. My tires are really cold. I can feel the slip. By the way, back there we're in sport mode, so not all the way. And then also, what was I gonna say? I was in like 3rd gear when I started, so that's why you didn't see her zoom. And these, I'm not wearing earplugs or butt plugs for my ears, and this exhaust is very loud. And this is the first ride still. But that is the first time that Nimbus has made love to a Supra. It kept up too, 3rd gear. Damn it. Somebody's already there. This dude's already here. I would love to get off the bike and show you guys. There's a dude there. I want it to be empty. Ah! But yeah, earplugs, hella necessary. And I'm sliding a lot. I'm sliding a lot. How should we show it off? Like that? Nah. See, people come here for donuts because they make them go nuts. Like that. Here it is, a beautiful SC Project exhaust. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but if you guys can, then it is what it is. Because I got a new mic and new setup and all that sorts of stuff. But here is the gorgeous SC Project exhaust. Full titanium, and you see a little bit of smoke coming off of it. I think it's because the heat on the coolant or the sealant, anti-seize, it's just warming up. This is the first ride, man. I'm gonna need earplugs for sure, but I can't blaze it here or I can't rev it here because that just messed up. That is just insanely messed up. That is just insanely messed up to rev it here, because there's people working here and there's stuff like that, and there's a kid over there whose dad's swinging them, things like that, and I just don't want to be that douche. That's why I wanted to go to that place right down there, but some dude in a shirt and tie sitting in his truck playing with himself, so can't do that either. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying it. I hope you guys can hear it. So I have a recorder, of audio recorder in there, so let's see how well I can pick it up. Again, I wanted to be over there so I can test it and set it up correctly, because you got to set the limits of what you're recording and how loud is it going to be, things like that. Plus there's this dude who's walking around surveilling everything, so I don't want him to cause me problems, because you know, I'll empty a clip in him. You know me, dog. We roll them deep. We roll them deep. SC Project exhaust. I like how we broke it in with a Supra. Out of everything, we broke it in with a Supra. Going against a Supra, making love to a Supra is how we broke in this exhaust. But nah, I'm gonna say that's a warm-up. That's a stretch. Not like, oh, that's a stretch, but that's like stretching for Nimbus. We're gonna pop our cherry, or this exhausted cherry, on the training grounds, but the actual stuff is gonna come when we go against like an Aventador. I really hope you guys can hear me, otherwise this is just sad. Really hope you guys can hear me. As soon as I turn this exhaust on, she's gonna be flowing waterfalls, man. She's gonna be pumping out waterfalls. That is so gross. Cause she's old. Ready? Plus we got Kendrick playing. No? Nothing? Yeah, she looked. She had a look. She had like, what the hell is that? Huh? What sounds so sweet and sexy and sour and spicy all together? You gotta be careful, because it just rained last night, I believe. So the leaves will be all wet. So it is loud, but you'll get used to it, or I'll get used to it. You guys will never get used to it. You guys will always hear the same sound. What up, dog? Is he blind? I don't think he's blind. He didn't have that stick. Or he's raw dogging it and it just didn't go out with a stick. My hair on my face of facialness, of beardness and mustacheness, which I'm growing out until life goes back to normal, is tickling my nose. yeah, we just need earplugs for myself, and other than that, I just need to control the revs. I need to control the revs. Because again, don't want to get in trouble with this exhaust, because I feel like you would. Homie, abrir, por favor. Please? Come on, dog. Come on, dog. Ain't nobody here. You gonna do, okay, there you go. I was about to say, you gonna do me like that? Yeah, we still recording, man. We still recording this, so let's go. Wait for it. Abrir. All right, almost there. What up, Shorty? You've been seeing me a lot, huh? And there's more people there. Yeah, there's more people there. Alright, so I can't give you guys full res, but you guys can listen to it. That's the only place I can do it that I know of at the moment. I know another place, but as soon as I do it, I always forget that bump. But there's another place that I can do it. As soon as I do it, I gotta haul some booty out of there, because we're rolling residentials all the way, and I don't want to do it in a residential area because I really don't want to be that douchebag. I really don't want to be that douchebag. As much as a douchebag I am of all other types, I just don't want to be that kind of douchebag. Man, I really hope you guys can hear me right now, because if you guys can't, that is just sad, man. That is just... Oh my god, those pops. They're all amplified, not like 10 times, but those pops are loud as hell now. 100 times, saying times. Orchestrator, right? Is that what you call them? I don't know. I can hear my voice though, it's not a big deal. Earplugs would help, butt plugs in my ears would help.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight.